Praise to be Allah. I am Tanveer Anwar. Welcome to Tanveer's Ideas. This is the video, a part of series of video on synonyms. I'm going to make series of video on synonyms for PPSC, FPSC, CSS and PMS. The students who are going to be appeared in these exams. Today's first word is ever. Ever is a verb which means दावे से कहना. Assert. Assert. It means assert, asseverate, asseverate. Claim, affirm. So these are synonyms. So its use is I ever that you will pass. मैं दावे से कहता हूं कि आप पास होंगे. Avert. Next word is avert, which is also verb, which means prevent, avoid, turn aside, ward off. These are synonyms and its meaning. So is in Urdu rokna, bachna, talna. How can be averted from the tragic accident? ट्रैजिक एक्सीडेंट से कैसे बचा जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज अवॉव. इट इज ऑल्सो वर्ब. इट मीन्स डिक्लेयर ओपनली. उर्दू मीनिंग होगा इतराफ करना. ठीक है. सो असर्ट, एडवोकेट, अफर्म, क्लेम इसके जो सिनोनिम्स होंगे. सो इट्स यूज इज I must avow that he is not innocent. मैं ज़रूर इतराफ़ करूँगा कि वो जो मासूम नहीं है. Next word is auxiliary. It's adjective accessory. It means accessory helping. Helping it's mean मावन. ठीक है, मदद करने वाला जो शख्स होते हैं उसे auxiliary कहते हैं. ये चीज़ भी हो सकती है. So accessory, ancillary, helping, appurtenant, appurtenant, subsidiary, subordinate are its synonyms. So its use is Mr. Zahir is an auxiliary to our principal. Mr. Zahir हमारे principal का मावन है. So next word is autopsy. It's noun. It means postmortem. लाश का जो मुआयना होता है उसे कहते हैं. लाश के मुआयने को. Necropsy, postmortem are its synonyms. So its use is autopsy is carried out to examine the cause of death. मौत का सबब का जायजा लेने के लिए लाश का मुआयना किया जाता है. ऑटोप्सी की जाती है.